What's going on, guys? Today we're back working on the Blazer. We're actually doing something I should have done when I installed the rear panels. I've already got one side done. It's just clecoed up right now, but I put some sound deadening on it and insulation. I was gonna just cram pillows behind there for like a little barrier to help with road noise and everything, but I ended up ordering some like foam acoustic blocks off of Amazon that are supposed to kill sound. So I bought a 100 pack, or 250 packs anyways, and I'll stuff all those in there, fill those completely full, and that should help with the road noise I'm having currently. But I've already sound deadened this with butyl rubber and insulation. I've got carpet for the wheel well. I just gotta try to make it fit. It doesn't fit very well right now. And I'm about to pull this panel off and start laying down the sound deadening and the insulation on it. But the foam blocks won't be here for a couple days, so I'll probably just leave them clecoed on for now. It's not like I'm driving it very much anyways. And then once I get all the foam blocks in, I'll put it all down, make it permanent. But that should help out quite a bit with our sound issue. A little loud back here. I need to finish insulating the wheel wells. That'll help out some too. That one's barely got any on it right now. But that should help out quite a bit, and maybe getting the carpet down will help out quite a bit. So I'm hoping make it a little bit quieter. I mean, it's quiet, but the road noise is the loudest aspect. The exhaust is quiet, everything else pretty quiet. But this will be making a road trip to Colorado sometime next year, and we'll also be going to Conroe to LST in it as well. Maybe just going with my family. I don't know if my buddy will have his truck ready in time or not, but it's looking pretty good. Got about 3,000 miles on it since I swapped it and got it running. Haven't had any breakdowns, no issues really whatsoever. Other than that, just trying to get it where I want it. I know it's close. I know a lot of people think it's done, but it's not for me. But all right, now I'm gonna knock this panel out real quick. I'll take y'all inside and we'll start laying down the rubber and insulation on it. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, this is what we're using. We're using Kill Mat for the sound deadener, and then we're using Noico insulation. I forgot what mil it is, maybe 315, something like that. But the gray is the insulation, and the Kill Mat, obviously, sound deadener. I've still got a little at the bottom to do, but I'm just skinning it. The top part there is actually metal to metal contact. It would stick it out too far if I insulated that and sound deadened it. So this should help quite a bit with like vibration, resonance, all that. And when I stuff all them foam blocks inside there as well, should help out. But right now I've got to get some more sound deadener laid down on here, and then I will get some insulation put over it, get it all cut out, just using like a box knife and then a metal roller. So how this sound deadening works is, here, I'll get a fresh piece. You can see it's got like bubbles, and once you roll it like this, all them bubbles disappear, and when all of them are disappeared, it's applied. So I still got, you can actually see a few right through here. Once you roll it, they all disappear. But that's what we got going on today. Like I said, it'll be a couple days, probably next week, before those blocks show up. Good news is I can put half of the panel up, or put the whole panel up, and then take one half off, and then feed it full of blocks, and then put the other one up after I get it fed full of blocks. But I'm gonna get back to laying this all down. I'll save you the monotony of slowly putting piece by piece on and cutting it all off through the power of editing. So I'll get these knocked out, and I'll come back with you, and we'll start getting that panel clecoed in. Figured I'd give you a little demonstration of what the sound deadening and insulation is good for. And that's what it sounds like without any sound deadening on it. A little duller of a thud, and then once you get to the insulation, really helps out. I've never even tried double layering it to see what it would sound like that way. I may end up throwing some double layer on this panel, see how that sounds. But just wanted to give you a quick idea of what you can expect when you sound deaden and insulate. On top of like the heat and cold barrier, the sound deadening properties, it's great all around. I mean, you do add weight to the vehicle, so obviously if you have a race car or something, you probably wouldn't want to use a whole lot of this stuff, because you can add quite a bit of weight to the vehicle just by insulating it. So I'm going to get back to it, guys. All right, guys, we got the panel back in after we got it insulated. Stuff some pillows behind there for now, and we're just clecoing it in place. And then once I get it all clecoed together, I will go back with actual screws and do it that way. But clecos are really good, like temporary fasteners, if you need to like put body panels on, lock something up real quick. Basically, just a quick temporary fastener, press together, and come on, focus. Whenever you release it, it expands and locks it in place. Just like that. But they're really good for just temporary fasteners, or you want to mount something up where you can drill holes, get it mounted properly, screw it in. They're really good. They're not very easy to use one-handed like I'm trying right now, but like I said, they're great for temporary, just holding things in place. I'll get them all put in, and then I'll slowly just replace each one with screws. But that's all we have for today. Still got to get this insulated. Should help with the road noise quite a bit. And then most likely I'll pull the wheels and tires off and rubber coat the inner fender as well on the inside, clean, or hopefully that'll give us some sound barrier as well. But if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.